morning, my name is Jinan Zengue. I'm the Pavilion Director of Gabon. You are exactly in our pavilion right now, and Gabon Pavilion is located into the Sustainability District. So the main theme that we explore in our pavilion was creating a sustainable future. So we described this thematic into 5 different areas in our pavilion. So here you are in the first area, which is the entrance. And this area actually helps you to locate our country on a map, and also to give you an overview of who we are, what we are doing, and what we want to do, and what we have to present. So we have different panels in this area. You have, for example, this first wooden panel, which gives you a presentation of our country, the map of our country with the different provinces of Gabon. We are 9 different provinces, and you can see the capital city of Gabon right here. So this is one piece of wood cut, and then an artist to draw all those information on it. So on this panel, you can see the marine richness of Gabon, the whales, and also the loup turtle, which used to come in Gabon once a year to drop their eggs in the sand. And on this other type of wood, the first wood that we saw is called the belly yellow. So this is actually the Padouk wood, and on this wood you can see the forest richness of Gabon. So you can see an elephant here, which is actually a forest elephant, and you can see trees, an okume tree that we have a lot of okume in our forest, and you can also see gorillas from Gabon, and above a panther, because we have 2 types of panther in Gabon, the black one and this one with the small spot. So after this area, you arrive directly to the forest area. So this is the second area of our pavilion. So come with me and let's go to the forest. So here you are in the forest of Gabon. Once you enter in this area, you will discover that Gabon is covered at 88% with forest. So we wanted our visitor to see how a rainforest of Africa, a tropical rainforest, looks like. So we created this animation so that they can actually see how the forest of Gabon goes like during the day and also during the season, and see some of our major animals. So on the other side of this area, you will see the treasure of our country. Here you have different masks representing the different ethnic group of Gabon. Actually, we have 42 different ethnic groups in Gabon, but we just presenting here 8 masks because it's just a question of space. So each mask is own ethnic group, and we usually use masks for traditional ceremony, and those pieces comes directly from the National Museum of Gabon. So that helps us to go to the third area, which is the economic area of our pavilion. So follow me. Welcome to the economy area of Gabon. So here you can learn more about the different reforms that our government carried out to help to invest in our country, and also the strategy of based on public and private partnership to develop our country. So you will learn more about the structure of Gabon, even like the business sector of Gabon, and also our agricultural strategy, or even the road, the airport, the port of Gabon. So the main thing that you can keep from this area, talking about wood, is definitely the Gabon Special Economic Zone. So what is the Gabon Special Economic Zone? It's an industrial zone that has been created 10 years ago. So basically, before, Gabon used to cut wood and then sell it like that everywhere in the world. So the president of Gabon, His Excellency Ali Bongo Ondimba, decided 10 years ago that we don't want to cut the wood and just send it like that. We need to transform it first before sending it everywhere in the world. So that's how the Gabon Special Economic Zone comes to life. So this zone is an industrial zone dedicated to process all the wood, and all the furniture, the wooden furniture, and all the wooden structure that you will see in this pavilion are made in this industrial zone. So today, 10 years after, Gabon Special Economic Zone is the world's first 100% carbon-free industrial zone. So after this economy area, we enter directly into the tourism area of our pavilion. So welcome to the beach of Gabon. Gabon is 13 national parks. So here we wanted our visitor to be totally immersed in a beach of Gabon so that they can listen to some of the original music coming directly from Gabon, and also feel like what you're gonna experience if you come for tourism in Gabon. So we create a beach, actually like the one that we have in some national park. The sand is real, and we also brought some of our major animals, the one that you can admire on some beach, such as turtle, made with wood, and this is a different type of wood, but you have also some fancy furniture, such as this bench, made with one piece of wood that we call the You and Me bench. So basically someone sits here and the other one sits there so that they can, be together and talk together. You have also this bench made with wood, always always at the industrial zone of Nkok, and you can see all the different drawings on the bench, which are like the original drawings of the wood. We didn't paint it, and you will be able to admire more things here, more wooden pieces, but also learn more about the 13 National Park of Gabon. So after this area, you will enter directly into the last area of our pavilion, which is a library. So here we have books talking about the different national park of Gabon. So if you want to learn more about the diversity of Gabon, learn more about what is present in the different area, in the different protected area of Gabon, the national park, here you are at the good place. So actually the challenge of the world is how to protect this large band of forests, and the opportunity for our country was to come here at this expo and tell our own narrative, and taking part of it and showing to visitors how our country is and also what we are actually doing. So the opportunity is also to give people to higher awareness about this part of Africa and this part of our world, because protecting the forests of Gabon and in the meantime the forests of Congo Basin, it's not only important for our country, it's important for our planet, because Congo Basin is actually responsible to, our forests can reduce like a lot of carbon emissions coming from pollution everywhere in the world. So protecting this forest and like protecting the forests of Gabon or even the forests of Congo Basin, it's not only something important for us, it should be something important for everyone, because this is like the next generation of our forest, not only the next generation of Gabon. So that was the opportunity coming here and raising this awareness to all the visitors. And actually, I think that there is a lot of people who learn more about Gabon and also about this important topic. And once they get out of our pavilion, they are like, yes, today I learned something. So that's a great opportunity for us.